Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is the Fat Cigar Box. Fat Cigar Box was requested by George Miller to Volker Latusek. When George Miller saw Volker's Cage Penta, which is pentomino pieces in a 3x3 box, George said, hey, can you put them into a 5x5x2 box, because then they can be completely filled. And as you know, pentominos, they have 5 pieces and 5 cubies. Here we have 5x5x2, which is 50. So the puzzle has 10 pieces. And then, as usual, it's very hard to put together, but taking apart this one is slightly less hard. So that's what I will demonstrate. Well, the first piece slides out like this. And here we have one of those fat pentominos. I don't know why Volker calls them fat, but anyway, they're fat. So let's see, where is the next piece? That's this one. I slide it sideways. And here's another piece that goes out. And gradually I can slide pieces out one by one. Orange out. And there we go. And of course, here we have all these pentomino pieces. They all have different shapes. Some of them are mirror image from each other. Some of them look fairly similar, but trust me, they're all different. And the object is to put them back into the box. And my question to you is, it's called the Fat Cigar Box, but what does this puzzle have to do with smoking? Thank you for watching.